Hello friends, welcome to Hair Tips. In this video, I am going to share you 2 simple ways to use green tea for acne. The first way is to apply green tea onto your skin. Applying green tea to the skin has been shown to reduce acne. Steep a green tea bag in boiling water for 3 minutes. Let the tea bag cool, then open it and take out the leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey to make a paste. Apply that paste on the areas affected by acne and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with water and pat dry. The second way to use green tea for acne is to drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily. Drinking 3 to 4 cups of green tea a day regulates hormones and sebum production, inhibiting the formation of acne. You can also add honey into green tea for added benefits.